we have had an 80% success in the ban of plastic carrier bags. And we would like to take this opportunity to thank Kenyans for the overwhelming support they have given to us as a ministry in the implementation of the ban. I also want to thank the airlines for announcing to the passengers in various destinations abroad that Kenya doesn't allow plastic bags. And I'm happy that that has worked very well. The second issue I want to report is that whereas we have had an 80% success, we have had some instances where there are illegal uses of plastic bags among the small-scale traders. And we have noted a number of areas. We have noted some areas where this is taking place, and would like to take this opportunity to warn the traders that we will not allow the plastic bags to be brought back into the market. And we are working closely with the customs authorities and immigration to make sure that that is not reversed. What we have already achieved will be sustained. We would also wish to state that as a result of the success of the ban on plastic carrier bags, we have had anxiety among Kenyans that now we should go to other products such as the plastic bottles. I would like to say that by April, the National Environment Management Authority will issue guidelines on the take-back scheme of the plastic bottles. We will work on the take-back scheme. By the end of April, we should be able to develop the guidelines and communicate to Kenyans.